Namaskaram, Eliza. Learn Malayalam with Elikuttiyilekku Swagatham. If you're looking for a place to help you with your Malayalam journey, you've come to the right channel. Today we're going to be looking at lesson 24 in my beginner Malayalam series. If you need to catch up, do check out my playlist for Malayalam beginners, and we'll be waiting for here when you're ready. Let's get on. So today we're going to be looking at pointing out objects and describing them. And we're going to be talking about colors and other ways to talk about things. But before we do that, here's our conversation in English. You know what to do. Let's translate it with the clue words, and when you're ready, hit play, and we'll go over the suggested answer. All right, here's the suggested answer. Zach, എനിക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ പുതിയ കാർ ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. നന്ദി. ഞാൻ ഇന്നലെ വാങ്ങി. കൊള്ളാം. അതെത്ര ആയിരുന്നു? 9 ലക്ഷം രൂപ. Oh, മോശമല്ല. That's not bad. I'm sure not everybody has 9 laksham hanging around, but you know, good for Zach. Nice job. All right, let's look here. We have a same conversation as last time, but we're going to be checking different things. All right, so here's a review. Amma, എന്ത് വാങ്ങണം? എനിക്ക് ഒരു പുതിയ മേശ വേണം. ഈ മേശം നല്ലതാണോ? വില എത്രയാണ്? 2 ലക്ഷം രൂപ. Oh, ഇത് വളരെ ചെലവേറിയതാണ്. So again, we're looking at the same conversation. Last time we were focusing on the price, but this time we're talking about the description. So നല്ലതാണോ? Is it nice? Nalla. Is it nice? And then ചെലവേറിയ. It's expensive. All right, just pay attention to the way we structure these adjectives, and we'll talk more about it. All right, the next conversation, like we had last time. എനിക്ക് ഈ കസേര വേണം. ആ മരക്കസേര. അതെ. വില എത്രയാണ്? 4000 രൂപ. അത് മോശമല്ല. So notice he says ഈ കസേര വേണം. ഈ കസേര. This chair. So meaning that. Marakasera, wooden chair. So, one more. This is a new conversation, so you haven't seen this one yet. Jess, ningal ee chuvana vastram vanganam. Oru chuvana vastram enakku chuvappa ishtamalla. Avarku oru karutha vastram undu. Ippo enakku adu ishtamanu. So we have two ladies looking at dresses. Chuvana vastram, so red dress. And then she says, "Enikku chuvappu ishtamalla." So she's not a red person. Avarku oru karutta vastram. So karutta is black. Karutta vastram. Oh, adu ishtamanu. I like that. So let's look at colors. So first I'm going to show you the colors as nouns. When we're talking about colors, like I like green. I like purple. This is red. So for green, we have pacha. If you remember the word for vegetables, pachakarigal, pacha. Neelam for blue, chuvappu for red, verla for white, erla, retroflex, verla. Karuppu for black, manya for yellow, veli for silver, svartam for gold, rose or pink can be used, and tavatte, which is brown. Tavatte. My son watches this video where it teaches him Malayalam words, and there's a one on colors, and I just hear the happy voices going tavatte, and it's really funny. So every time I see tavatte, I just hear the little kids' voices. That sounds strange. So the interesting thing is that when you use the color as an adjective to describe something, it changes its form. Not always, but many of the times. So pacha stays the same. Pacha shirt. It's a green shirt. Neela shirt. But now look here. Chuvappa becomes chuvana. So if you want to say that's a red shirt, adu oru chuvana shirt aanu. So you would change it. Chuvana shirt. Chuvappu, chuvana. Verla becomes velutta. Karuppu becomes karuta. Manya stays the same. Verli stays the same. Gold changes from svarnam to svarna. Rose, same. Tavatta, same. So do pay attention to those slight differences when you're using it as an adjective. All right, so let's look at these objects here. So we have 6 objects, and I want you to try to describe them with the colors. So for chair, we have kasera. For car, vandi. Table, mesha. Sandals, cherupugal. Vessel or pot, patram. And for basket, like a laundry basket, we have kota, kota. So look at your notes for the colors. Remember, you're using them in the adjective form. And write each of these with the color attached to the word. Pause your video, check your notes, and then when you're ready, hit play, and we'll go over the suggested answers. All right, so for red chair, chuvana kasera. Green car, pachavandi. Blue table, nila mesha. Pink sandals, rosa cherupugal. White vessel, velutta patra. And for brown basket, tavitta kota. Now, when we want to talk about things in English that are close or far, we say this or that. We call these demonstratives. So this chair, that chair. In Malayalam, when we're showing distance, we use these specific sounds, I, a. So think about ivide, avide, ippo, appo. So here we use the long sound to indicate this or that. So, for example, I chuvana kasera, this red chair. A chuvana kasera, that red chair. Now, in Malayalam, there is not a different word, whether it's singular or plural. In English, we have this for one or these for two or more. But in Malayalam, you would just say I or a. Now, next, I'd like to talk about how we express good in Malayalam. So we have a way to express good in Malayalam with the word nalla. And depending on where it is in the sentence or how you want to phrase it, it changes form. So we have nalla and we have nallathu. So for example, a nice chair is oru nalla kasera. Nalla meaning good before kasera, a good chair. If I want to say the chair is good, I can say kasera nallatarne. Nallatarne. The chair is good. If I want to say, is that good? Adu nallatarno. Adu nallatarno. Is it good? I kasera nallatalla. It's not good. Nallatalla. Remember, alla is the negative ending. I kasera nallatalla. Now for bad, there are many words. I have a video that talks about some of those different ways of saying bad, but today we're talking about mosham. Mosham. A kasera moshamarno. Is that chair bad? I kasera moshamalla. This chair isn't bad. Kasera moshamarne. The chair is bad. So let's practice. Here we have a conversation in English. I'd like you to pause your video, check your notes, write your translation, and when you're ready, come back and we'll go over the answer together. All right. Roshan, a nila kota enakku ishtarne. ഈ നീലക്കോട്ട എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമല്ല. ആ പച്ചക്കോട്ട എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. ശരിക്കും വില എത്രയാണ്? പച്ചക്കോട്ടയ്ക്ക് 500 രൂപ, നീലക്കോട്ടയ്ക്ക് 1000 രൂപ. പച്ചക്കോട്ട മോശമല്ല. So that goes over our lesson for today, talking about this and that, and also talking about adjectives. If you'd like to practice them, put them in the comments below. Or if you want to know some more adjectives, also comment them and I'll get to them when I can. Otherwise, be sure to follow me on Instagram and here on YouTube to get more lessons and materials, and join our Discord server with over 3,000 members. Until next time, apoelam parne the pole.